Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Firstly, you need to locate and open Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Following that, click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it on HUAWEI, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then open your app on an Android. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow as well. But over here, select Not Now if you wish to in this pop-up and tap on OK. Now you need to click Receive over here on the bottom of your HUAWEI device and Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Now you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And when you're ready, click Send here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only this one song, choose Send, and click on Got It. Now on HUAWEI, tap on the best option for you, I will go with No Thanks, and then select Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on HUAWEI next to Input key, choosing Allow Only while in use or Allow this time only, and pointing our device's camera at this code. But we can also go back, input this key over here instead, and connect using Receive button. As you can see, after a while, my song was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!